AppExchange apps are secure, easy to install, and saves my business time. What's not to love about the AppExchange?
Hearsay is proud to be part of the innovative, dynamic community that AppExchange has built.
D-Select success is built on AppExchange.
I love the AppExchange for powerful, quick, and beautiful solutions.
AppExchange, a trusted enterprise marketplace where you build locally and sell globally.
I love AppExchange because it's so innovative.
It's a recognized, trusted route to our award-winning product.
The AppExchange changed Titan's business strategy and product roadmap. Congratulations on 10 million.
I love AppExchange because it brings a community of technology together.
AppExchange helps us save time while scaling quickly and effectively.
AppExchange is your one-stop shopping for all your Salesforce apps.
AppExchange, it changed my life with the company I have created to sell an app on that marketplace. Thank you, man.
AppExchange has the best apps and the very best partners.
I love that the AppExchange helps all of us at Accounting Seed to reach the right customers at just the right time.
The AppExchange saves you time and money. What a lifesaver.
I love how the AppExchange helps ISV solutions reach millions of Salesforce users.
I love AppExchange because I can find great extensions for my customers.
Don't reinvent the wheel and tap into the collective genius of the AppExchange.
I love the AppExchange because it has thick apps.
AppExchange allowed me to become an app builder.
I love the AppExchange. You love the AppExchange. We all love the AppExchange.